Like making money? Do you like flexing on your ex? Well, you're in the right place. What is going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with another banger. And today I just want to talk about the 3 trades I basically took today. I did trade lighter in size today because I didn't want to give back any of my profits yesterday. And I still walked away with around $207 today, which is really good because at my old job, $25 an hour working 8 hours is $200 a day. In trading lighter in size, it took me about 2 hours to make that. So that's about $100 an hour. So I'll take that. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. My first trade was these 12 calls. Give me 1 second. Trying to figure out exactly where I bought in. Okay, yeah, these 12 calls right here. This was my first trade because we were holding this 412 area, this pivot, and we didn't break below this key area, this key level that I had. So we bounced off of this around 4 times on the 1 minute time frame. Let me just show you guys. Basically 1, 2, 3, 4. But we were holding this level, and I knew since I had a swing trade for puts yesterday and we hit 410 and buyers came in yesterday and took price up $5, I knew buyers didn't want to give up this. I'm not going to say I knew. I could, basically I could stack the probabilities in my favor that buyers did not want to give up this level that easily. So, it was valid for me to try these bounces off of the key level. And since we were a little rangy, and I seen that my target price was VWAP simply because VWAP is sitting in the middle of both of my key levels right here. So that's a valid price target. So my first trade, took it up to VWAP, sold. My second trade, first trade was right here. It took it up to VWAP and sold it. My second trade, let me go back to my 5 minutes so I can clearly see it. Yeah, and we also had increasing volume on this push up on the 5 minute, which confirmed buyers are really here at this level. And we pushed back down to this level. And I got in again. Yes, I did get in again right here. And I sold my contracts right under VWAP because I didn't know if we would reject and keep going back down. So I sold under there. And I didn't like it that much because volume was decreasing on this push up. So I wasn't sure if sellers were coming strong and off these rejections and, take price down. So, today was basically hit and run plays today. This was mainly a scalpers market today. So yeah, I took my profits right there. And my last trade was these 414 puts. I took it as we rejected this 414.55 level that I found on my hourly time frame that was holding up, and as you can see, it was resistance turned into support now. And we had a huge increase in selling volume, so I definitely got in here. Took price down to VWAP, sold it. And I'm sorry, I did take one more contract. But it was just one trade. It was just, not one trade. It was just one contract. And it was down here at this level simply because me and my boy in chat, we were talking and it looked like we could break through. But like I was saying, I wasn't that confident that sellers would overtake this level simply because we pushed up $5 pre-market and before market open today. So I figured this might just be a little pullback on the daily time frame just to continue in the bigger trend direction, which is currently doing. So I took a stab here. One contract stop was literally right under, so I wasn't risking much, and I sold right back here at VWAP. I should have trailed my stop just to lock in profits, but as I always say, you can't say shoulda, woulda, coulda. This isn't Pokemon. We can't catch them all. You know what I mean? Especially given in a choppy little rangy market like today. It's hit and run plays, hit and run. But yeah, let me just show you guys. Yeah, I made around $207 today. Those puts made me 43, and those 412 calls made me 164. So yeah, today was a pretty good day. From me only trading 1 to 2, max 3 contracts only, but mainly 1 or 2 contracts today. Because I wanted to trade lighter and not give back any profits from yesterday. But today was really beautiful. Followed my plan to the T, and I couldn't ask for anything better. And made what I made at my old job, basically when I had a job. But other than that, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I was kind of thinking to do swing trades up here to 420, maybe, but I'm gonna play it cool. I'm gonna play it smooth, and I don't think I'll do it. I'll just wait. Um, if anything, I should have did it down at 410 since that was a whole $10 increment. And that's another thing. I'll start taking swing trades when we hit increments of 10 on SPY. So for instance, say we're at 410. I'll take a swing trade to 420 or 400. Say we're at 420. I'll take a swing trade down to 415, 410. But we have to move in increments of 10 in price on SPY for me to look for swing trades, because what I've been looking at in the past, every time we move around $10, 410, 400, 420, we see a big rejection, or we see sellers come in, or we see buyers come in heavy in either direction. So I'll really be looking for that, back testing that, to add to my list of strategies. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.